And while it could take up to an hour to finish just one call, it's a job that holds a lot of weight.
The sound of a keyboard tends to take over a room when you're alone. But Emily Waller's job is not a lonely one.
I'm calling from the Abilene-Taylor County Public Health District.
Each weekend, she spends up to 8 hours phone in hand.
We just follow up with everyone who tests positive for COVID-19.
The questions start out simple,
Just confirming where they were tested, the day they were tested on.
and then get a little more specific.
Where do you work? When was the last day that you worked on site? Have you been to any restaurants, bars, or clubs?
What these contact tracers are really trying to figure out is something that's right in their job title, contact.
When you've had contact with a person and then that person goes and has contact with more people, suddenly the virus can explode. Did you have maybe a few moments to answer some questions? It is really important that we catch people before they start infecting others.
And while this may just be one call with one person,
It can be up to an hour sometimes.
it could impact several others.
We let them know, you've had contact with a positive case, you're being asked to quarantine for 14 days.
And while she's alone in this room,
If we were able to catch that 2 days before their symptoms started, then we've prevented any other infections from occurring.
she and others like her are casting a safety net over the community.
Now, contact tracing did exist before COVID-19. They used to call others about infectious diseases like tuberculosis, but Waller says that the job has definitely gained a lot more importance since the pandemic. Reporting in studio, Jessica Rank, KRBC, Abilene's local news. Back to you, Lauren.
Thanks, Jessica. The Public Health District also has 2 callers who speak Spanish.